Welcome to Starscolab. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to hire influencers step by step. Step 1. Create your job. Click on Hire Influencer. This opens the job form. Fill in all the details about your collaboration. Submit it and complete the payment. You can also apply coupons on the payment page. Once payment is done, your money is secured in escrow. It will be released to the influencer only after the collaboration is completed. You can check all payment details anytime in the wallet section. Step 2. Your job goes live. After creating the job, it becomes visible in Job Discovery. Influencers can now find your job and apply directly. Applications may come instantly, or they may take some time, depending on your niche and budget. Step 3. Find influencers yourself. If you don't want to wait, or if you already know the type of influencer you want, you can search and connect instantly. Go to Explore. Search by niche, location, or category. For example, search skincare. Relevant skincare influencers will appear. Step 4. Review profiles and send a hire request. Browse the list and open influencer profiles. Check their content, platforms, and past work. When you find someone you like, click Hire Now. Step 5. Chat, agree, and accept the job. Clicking Hire Now creates a dedicated chat automatically. Use this chat to discuss deliverables, timelines, and expectations. Once both sides agree, simply click Accept Job. This creates a contract between you and the influencer. Step 6. Collaborate, track performance, and complete the work. Use the chat to continue discussions and share updates during the collaboration. Once the content is posted, wait for a few days, or about a week, to allow the post to get maximum engagement. After that, click Ask for Report. This sends a notification to the influencer to submit their performance report. The influencer will then submit the report. Review and verify the work carefully. When everything looks good, mark the collaboration as completed. You can also leave a rating and review. Step 7. Payment release to influencer. After the collaboration ends, Starscolab automatically releases the payment to the influencer. No manual transfers, no follow-ups. Everything is secure and transparent. That's how you hire influencers on Starscolab. Simple, secure, and built for smooth collaborations. Happy hiring!